Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about the Gain Original Scent Laundry Detergent. And this is just what it looks like here. And then this is just the 1.75 gallon container. And then for others, it's like the 6.65 liter container. And then it's for like the HE units of like washers and stuff like that. And it says it does for 146 loads. So what I'm going to start out by saying with this product is that I have not had like a long experience with this product, but I've had a good experience with this product. And I was actually told about this product by my sister because, you know, she likes to try a lot of new things, and she was like, hey, this smells really good. It keeps your clothes fresh for such a long time. And she knows that like a lot of times I can have a hard time finding things that make my clothes smell good for a decent amount of time because I don't go many places to like switch up my clothing all the time, so I wear like the same ones all the time, but the other ones just kind of sit in the closet and kind of gather up a dull smell that just smells like, oh, I mean, I'm clean, but I don't smell like I've been put in the laundry in a while. So it's just not like a bad smell, but it's not a great one either. And so she showed me this, and I was in awe because I used this product and I washed my clothes, and my clothes smelled good for like 2 weeks. Like they just came out of the laundry from those 2 weeks. Like even after that they still smelled good, but like they smelled like I just took them out of the laundry for those entire 2 weeks. And I was like, that's crazy, because there's not a lot of products that you can find that'll keep your clothes smelling like they were just done in the laundry for 2 whole weeks. Like, it's insane. And I was like, and it smells good. Like, I could see if it was something that, like, you know, because a lot of like bad smells usually tend to stick around for a very long time, but this smells so good, and it's just their original scent. And I know they have a lot more scents that they have in for the Gain products, and this is just their original one, so I can only imagine how any of their other scents smell, but I really like the original one. This is the only one that I've had any experience with, so but I do plan on getting more Gain products in the future because it works that well. This is the laundry detergent, like I said before, and so it has like the little nozzle here where you can squeeze out laundry detergent from there, or you can open this cap here and you can just pour it out that way. And then also what I really like is the convenience of the handle, because some laundry detergents don't come with handles, so you just have to carry it around like you're carrying like a football or something, and you're like, why would I want to walk around with laundry detergent like that if I have like a hamper of laundry in my hands or something? I don't know, but you don't want to like carry it awkwardly if you have like something else in your hand. But it is a bigger like container, so I wouldn't suggest like trying to travel with this. Like if you were going to a family member's house for a little bit and you wanted to bring like your own laundry detergent, I wouldn't suggest like trying to take this with you. However, you can just like put this in, you know, like a little container and have it in there with you, so you can still bring it with you. Like put it in a little travel container, like one that you can get from the dollar store or something, and just put it in there so you can still travel with it, because it smells that good that you would want to keep your clothes smelling nice and whatever clothes that you wear for a long time. And my thing is like you don't even have to continuously wash your clothing in this detergent. Like it will continue to smell good even after you've done like, you know, like the sweating and the running errands and, you know, the doing things like your normal typical day, and you sweat out your clothing and you're like, oh my gosh, like I'm gonna smell so horrible now, and your clothes smell so good, like the scent of like your sweat or something doesn't even like work past the scent of your clothing, because the scent is so like, it stays so long and the scent like lingers, and you're like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna smell like the best laundry in the world. And I love the smell of fresh laundry. Fresh laundry is one of my favorite scents ever, just because, you know, it just smells clean. And I love the things when they smell clean, like bleach and all that type of stuff. So I just love the smell of cleanliness and, you know, things that smell nice. And this is one of those things that, like, you can't get from anywhere. Like, you can get the gain from anywhere. Yes, that's what I mean. But, like, this, like, type of quality you can't get from anywhere. And I really like that because they take the time to make sure that the scent stays for such a long time. And I know there's a lot of Gain commercials out there where they're like, wow, she wore this a week ago and oh my gosh, I can't even remember, like, it still smells exactly like it did when she wore it, or anything like that. So I just really like how the smell stays around even after you've done so many things with it, or after, you know, all the running around and things like that. So I just really appreciate how the smell stays around. As far as I know, it doesn't affect anybody's skin. It hasn't affected my skin, so it's good in that aspect, because I know a lot of people can be very sensitive towards, like, things when they wash their clothes and then they put them on and, you know, it's not okay for their skin. But as far as I know, it's a great product. I love using this so much. Like, it was a little bit more expensive, but that's just because it's a better quality of a product. So I would recommend this to anyone. Again, this is just the Gain Original Scent Laundry Detergent, and I really like it.